welcome back to my channel. We are at a mall and we are at a shop called Mr. D.I.Y. So I'm going to show you this shop. So let's go in. So we are in the shop and here's some clothes and some pencil clothes here. And we have some more things here. Wow. Like house use things and like household things here.
Now look at here, Aarish. What is this?
There's more household things.
Okay.
Let's move on. Now here's some more things. Wow. Look at here. I bought this one. This watermelon one. Wow. And we have some cool box and dish rack and plates and more dish racks. Now let's move on. Oh, there's a nice collection of bottles here. And if you see here, there are a nice collection of lunchbox. Wow, so nice. And we have some barbecue sets also. Wow. And we have some more lunchbox here. Let's move on. Here's some more racks. Here's a baby chair, a baby. And here are some stools. Wow. So fluffy and soft. And look at here, folding chairs. Wow. And bats with drawings. Whoa, nice shop. And we have some more we have shoe racks here. And picnic tables. Wow. Oh, look, we have decoration. Like you can decorate the thing everywhere, anywhere you want. Oh, we have some flowers and some fluffy pushy toys. I bought one, like a lion one. And wow, here's another collection of pillows and towels. Wow. And here's some more mats. Look, fluffy. They're so fluffy. Wow. Captain America and Avengers pillows. I bought it. Look, here's some more plushies. And these ones are like sit on the ground. You can sit on the ground. Just lay it down and sit on the ground. Oh, we have some more things here. There's like, hangers. You can hang things in there. Wow. And look, here are some more hangers for clothes. Now let's move to the D.I.Y. section. Wow. Nice things here. We have a dartboard also. Wow. I can stay here. So nice things. I want one of these also. There. So we have some more things. Wow. We have some glasses and a bag. Now I try one. I like the shade. Let's see. Move on to the party collection. Here's all the party things. There are birthday balloons. We have decorating things for the party. And there's so many things here. Let's move to the girly counter. Here it is. The girly counter. And here's some more things. Here we have notebooks and notebooks here. We can write. And the log diaries also.
Can you show it once?
Okay, so here's for a log diary,
Wow.
which is magnetic. Now we have some furry. I have one with the Batman pic. Blue. And let's move on. Now, here is the art and stationery section. And look, here's some clips. Wow, there's so many things here. There's even a real magnifying glass. Wow. There's so many things. And there are some purses and bags. You know, bags, purses, everywhere. There's like pouches, and here are some more pouches. Look, every color. Wow. It is awesome, mind blowing. So, we have some, for girls, we have some hair clips and hair bands. And we have some more things here, like lock boxes. Then you can, like piggy banks. You can use it as piggy banks, as they are the piggy banks. Look, here is what. Have a nice day. Every time you smile, I smile. You can put your coins here. And look, here's some canvas. I've drawn one painting on canvas. It was super awesome. And here are some more canvases. Wow. Now, we have some more things here, like tapes and molding dough, like we call it Play-Doh. And we have some boards here. Look at it. The creamiest board, and we have this type of board, and we have some more things here. It's more girly section here, and here are some boys' caps, and here's some more caps, as you can see, and here's some belts. Wow, fantastic! And now this is the grooming section. Wow, nice. And we have some mirrors also here. Some nice mirrors. And we have here window curtains. Wow. You can shop here for all of your needs for the house. Look at it. And look at here. Look at here, bro. So awesome. We have these, and we have these brushes for the morning. Wow. And we can use it after we come from the bathroom. Wow. And we have some string arts here. Look, we can make a string art. It's strings. And you can pin them up. And then make a string art. And now let's move on. Ice boxes. Now we have some tissue box. You can use it as baskets. We have drawers also. You can put. They all come in a very reasonable use. And we have this giant also. This is a giant. And we have some more baskets here. And you can see colorful baskets. But let's move on and look at here. We have just mirrors and mirrors reflecting our body. I can't even count how much mirrors are there. Wow. Look at here, we have some, this bin. Oh, little bin. Ring, ring, ring. And we have some big bins here. So nice. And we have some more household things here, like for cleaning the house and the mouth balls. And we have
For accessories.
like steering wheels cover, like any type of it. And this lumbar support for your back with memory foam. And it is a magnetic cooling lumbar. And look here. Oh, so cute. For us. And one more lumbar cushion. Wow, there are some more things to clean the car here. This is very useful. And there's some bicycle locks. Look at them. There's some bicycle locks. You can lock them up. Nobody. That's it. And magnet holder also. You can put a phone in there. It will be hold. Wow, it's nice things here. Now we have some more car accessories here. Look, we have some car accessories and bicycle bells also. Wow. We have some more car accessories here. And if you see here, you will see clocks. You can take a clock for your home. Look how bold is that and how fancy is that. Funny. That's so nice clock. Simple, fantastic, classic. There's so much sneaker. And look, the mechanism. It looks like a mechanism is moving. Wow. And we have some gardening things here, like for the garden. We have shovels. And we have more shovels and this. And we have all the things for gardening here. Wow! So nice. Let's move on. Wow! We have some more gardening things. A big shovel and a big U-shaped shovel. We have toolboxes, plastic storage box. And we have a grass to decorate like a mat. You can lay it like a mat. We have bamboo. Wow. And we stay like cloth hold. Then we have some watches. So nice. Look at them. Wow. Love the watches. Look, this is like an army watch. Oh, we have calculator. And we have this. Oh, mini calculator. Calculator. Yeah. And stopwatch. What? This place is awesome. And we can find mobile accessories here, like this, leads. And we have here earphones. We have earphones also. Wow. And if you have mini phone, you can get it in there and can listen to songs. Wow. Ooh, we have some headphones down here. Look at them. Music headphones, Bluetooth. Wow. We have some nice things. And for a mini phone, we have for earbuds, we have this mini box. So nice. Look, we have more clocks. Wow. There's so nice clocks boxes. And look, a mini alarm clocks are also there. Look. I also have a blue alarm clock. And look, we have some keychains. There's some keychains here. So nice. Quack. Quack, quack, quack. A red one and a small one. And boom! Look at it. 3, 2, 1 and launch. Wow. This place is awesome. And we have some more things like gloves for the gardening work. And we have some these things. All things, blush set. Green things. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. And don't forget to comment Mr. D.I.Y. Bye guys.